Hey everyone, it's Annette. So today we have a clear jelly stamper haul. One of these boxes I actually did buy, I think one of them I bought towards the middle of last year, and the other box I just recently purchased. So let's just get into the haul. I've been wanting to try their stamping plates and their stamping polish. And I've just been kind of like ordering, throughout the time and just kind of like saving it up. So let's just go ahead and start with the little one, and I'm going to set this stuff over to the side. Okay, so in this one, I can't actually even really remember what I ordered. Okay, so I had ordered this one along with this one for St. Patrick's Day, and then this one for St. Patrick's Day, but this one did not come with the little card on the back, so I'm kind of sad about that. And I went online to try to, you know how you can purchase the cards separately? I went online to try to purchase the cards separately, and I couldn't find the card, so I ended up just having to do a screenshot on my tablet so I could see what the actual designs look like. But anyways, so I'm pretty sure that I ordered these three together. So then this one, okay, so this one is one of the ones that I had ordered probably closer towards maybe summer of last year. So I did order some stamping polishes. They're already starting to separate because I have not used them. So I had ordered some stamping polishes. And then I had ordered some plates and some stampers, which I have already used the stampers a couple of different times. So anyways, let's just start with the stamper. I think is this called the Big Bling stamper? I'm not totally sure. But it's this stamper. I've already used it a couple of times. I really like it. So I have already used it a couple of times. It's really pretty. The only thing is to tell you the truth, I do like the stamper. Okay, so it has two stampers in it. So that's kind of cool. I didn't realize it had two stampers in it. So anyway, so that's kind of cool, because I was just going to say, I don't really know if I like the fact that you can't see through the bottom because of the crystals, but if you take it off, then you can see it, and I'm assuming this is probably just an extra head for this one is what I'm assuming. So anyways, but I did use this a couple times. I really do like it. So we'll go ahead and sit this back in the box because we don't want to get it ruined, because I have an issue. Oh my God, I am so horrible. Okay, so when I'm stamping, I am just like literally all over the place. Stuff is flying all over the place around here. So I am apparently a messy stamper. Okay, I'm just gonna admit it. I am a messy stamper. So literally, I have to have my acetone like all the way over at the other side of the desk, because if I do not, I will end up with acetone all over my stamper. I have other ones over here that I don't know, I might have already thrown away. I have cheaper ones that I've already basically ruined, and look at how dirty this one is. This one's just a cheap one from Shein, and look at how messy. Excuse me, look at how messy I am with this. And this is polish. I can't put acetone on here because it's gonna ruin it even more. So anyway, so yeah, I'm a messy stamper. We're just gonna go ahead and admit it now. That is fine. So anyways, this is one of the double-ended ones. This is cute. I really haven't used this that much. I've tried, like to use it, but I really haven't had any like reason to use it. I did use it a couple times because it is a little dirty. So anyway, so I did use it a couple times, but oh, see? Can you see that? I got stuff on this one too, and I didn't even notice it. So yeah, okay, so the secret's out. I am a messy stamper. And then these are some polishes that I had ordered back then. I have not used them. That box was just kind of falling apart, but this is a beautiful gold 003. Let me try to bring you guys down. I have my camera in a different position because I kind of changed stuff around when I was doing the double filming. So I kind of have my camera in the wrong spot for now. So this is a beautiful gold. This is really, really pretty. Like I said, I have not used their colors yet, but I'm really excited to use them. And that's another reason why I just wanted to do this haul, because I've had this box probably ever since the middle of summer. This is 001. I'm assuming it's just a black. But I've heard really good things about their polish. This one looks a little thick. Like I said, probably ordered it like in the middle of the summer. I haven't shaken them up or anything. Okay, that's better, yeah. So it just needed shaken up a little bit. So anyways, but this is just a really nice black. This one looks like a yellow. This one 008. 008. I think I was just trying to go for more of the primary colors when I was ordering polishes from them. So this is a 021. This is a pink. I still need to shake it up a little better because like I said, they have just been sitting in the box for quite some time. But it is just a really pretty light pink. 002. Just a nice white. This looks like a brown. 031. Just a nice brown. It's a red, which is 009. It's very pretty. So we've got a green, 011. Very nice. This is 010. It's just a really pretty blue. As I've said before, they need to be shaken up a little better. 040. That's really pretty. I really like that one. It's looking more like a magenta in my monitor, but it's kind of like a burgundy-ish. It reminds me more burgundy. Okay, so those were the polishes, and so now here are the plates. So this is plate CJS 207, and it's just more like a nautical plate with like your whales and your boats and some fish and some shells and a lighthouse and the seagulls and the sea lions. Then we have plate CJS 239, just some really pretty flowers and a cute little bird. CJS LC 73, just like a baby shower, you know, kind of a plate. So that's super cute. Here's another one, which is CJS LC 29, super, super cute. Love the little baby plates. Another C plate, CJS 162. I really like this lighthouse over here. And I like these seagulls over here. It's kind of hard to see them, but I do like the seagulls. This one is CJS 30 and just some cute little birds. I just like the cute little birds. And then I don't know if I ordered the stamping plate. I must have ordered it. Probably, yeah, there's a few in here. So I must have ordered a pack of the scrapers. CJS 218. This is just really cute. I really like this. This is good for like the winter. Oh, now I remember. Okay, and then like I was on a fall kick. I was gonna use these this fall, but I didn't end up getting to it. So yeah, so this is CJS 267. I really wished I would have gotten to these because these are really super, super cute. And then CJS 272. Oh, I like the mushrooms. Those are cute. That's super cute. I like that. And then, oh, okay, so I was going through a fairy phase. So I wanted the little, like the little fairies. So CJS LC, I think it says 04 down there. Let me look on this side. Where is it? Yeah, 04. So anyway, so that's just really cute. I like that one. And then here's more fairies. CJS 295. Super cute. And then more fallish. So that's cute. CJS LC 56. And then I got this because of the truck. So I really like that truck. I think it's so cute. CJS LC 57. So it's a fall plate. And then another fall plate with the truck because I like the truck in that design too. CJS 220. So that is super, super, super cute. And then this box I got towards the end of December. They were having a sale. I need to get a paper towel because I think this box, yeah, the bottom of this box is dirty and I don't want to get in my rubber mat all dirty. let's move this over. Okay, so this is the one where if you ordered so much stuff, then you got like a free gift. So anyways, so this is the box that if you ordered, I don't know how much you had to order, but you got a free gift in it. So you got the little candy again. And then my free gift was the cup. I think it's like a coffee cup. So that's really cute. And then I think it was this stamping plate. I think this was a free gift also. So that's what I'm thinking. So that's super cute. So in this order, I just basically ordered plates. So let's put this over here. Put that on here. Okay, so we have ornaments and some little swirlies, and it looks like a snowflake. So CJSC05, let me bring it back down again. Okay, CJSC05, so that's really cute. Like I said, I wish I would have done these hauls earlier. I think these were on sale. Were these on sale? Were they having a sale? I think they were having a sale. I think that's what it was. Okay, so CJSC08. And I think there was like certain sizes were on sale for so much money and, you know, so forth. Then this is an Easter, so CJSH12, super, super cute. And then CJS319, barbecue, because my husband likes to barbecue. So I was telling him, I'm like, hey, they have a barbecue one. He goes, oh, you should definitely get that one. So I got the barbecue one. And then here's just like some swirls, CJS234. Just really, really cute. Valentine's Day, could have used this. CJSV14. I think I was going to do an anti-Valentine's Day look, and I didn't end up hauling it, so I didn't end up using it. So then we have, let me bring out a little, there we go. So then we have CJS166, so the mermaids. I just like the different mermaids on here, and then like the, you know, like the seahorse and, you know, different things like that, and the whales and stuff. And then the fruit, so CJS211. So we have some fruit, we have some more fruit, CJS209. Oh, and then the breast cancer awareness plate, CJS125. So I'll be ready for next year for when I do a breast cancer awareness set. And then New Year's, CJSH102. Because I just wanted some different New Year's looks that I could do. Another one for New Year's, CJSH03. I like the numbers on here too. I didn't really have any numbers, so I think we're going to be getting, okay. Yeah, so I bought some plates that had like numbers and letters on them too, because I was finding that I needed like numbers and letters and I didn't have any. So then this plate, I just like the swirls on it. I just love these designs on here. CJS134. Then we have CJS41, which I just liked the styles of the letters on here, and then it has nice numbers on here too, so I did like that. So that was good. Is that the same one? Yep, I have two of these. I don't know why, so we might put one in a giveaway. Don't ask me why I have two. Another letter plate with some numbers on it. So Alphabet Modern is what this one is called, which is CJS42. And then some more swirls, super cute. Love these swirls, CJS307. And then just some, I guess like some tips, like French tip, like it says tilt-a-swirl on it. So it's CJS308. I just liked it. I don't know, it just caught my eye. And then this one is CJS132. So anyway, so that is it for this haul. It was a big haul, but it, you know, it is, but it isn't, I guess. I don't know. It's up to you. I mean, it actually is pretty, it is actually a pretty big haul. If you look at all the stamping plates, there is a lot of stuff in it. But anyways, if you guys lasted this long, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Go ahead and leave me some comments. down below. Let me know which plate was your favorite plate. If you guys like stamping, if you guys are into stamping, if you're not into stamping. I'm kind of into it because I can't draw. So I'm getting more into stamping because I was doing a lot of stickers, but I'm wanting to get into something more other than stickers. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and have a wonderful day.